This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Jose Fuentes. Beautiful end unit, 2-level townhouse with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, roof was replaced in 8/2016, new HVAC and heat pump 11/2018, new fence 10/2019, new laminate floors 10/2019 and freshly painted. House is owner occupy and on Sentrilock, Schule showings online an hour before arriving. Due to COVID-19, please take necessary precautions to ensure safety during showing visits, no more than 4 people at a time. Thank you for your cooperation and showing. For more information, review the details below.